In this video, we will be learning a new formula, or we can say it a new technique in abacus, that is big friend subtraction of 8. So, in this video, I will be explaining when we can use this formula and how to write this formula. Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Let's first know when we can use this formula. See, the first example is 6 plus 4 minus 8. Now, my tool is all set for the calculation. As you can see, no upper bits and lower bits are touching to this value bar. Now, I am going to solve the first example, which is 6 plus 4 minus 8. 6 plus 4. What is the formula of big friend addition of 4? Plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6. So, plus 10 minus 6. Here I used the big friend addition of 4. If you have no idea how and when we can apply this formula, please go through my channel's playlist, watch that video and practice those sums as well. See, here we are done with 6 plus 4, right? Then we have to do minus 8, we have to subtract 8. See, at one slot no lower bit and no upper bit are touching to the value bar, and at 10th rod only one lower bit is touching to the value bar whose value is 10. So, how we can subtract 8 directly? Here we are unable to subtract 8 directly, right? So, we can't use the small friend formula here. As we know, small friend formula can only be used if we want to add or subtract from the number 1 to 4, but here we need to subtract 8. So, small friend formula can't be used here. So, how to solve this sum? So, in this case we have to use the big friend subtraction of 8. I hope you all are clearly understood when we can use this formula of 8. Now, I am going to write the formula for big friend subtraction of 8. First, let me tell you what is big friend. Big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 10, which two numbers, if we add them together, we will get 10. Those two numbers are called big friend to each other. Suppose if we add 1 and 9, we will get 10, right? So, 1 and 9 are big friend to each other, right? So, like this, if we add 2 and 8, we get 10. So, 2 and 8 are the big friend to each other. Similarly, if we add 3 and 7, we are getting 10. So, 3 and 7 are big friend to each other. If we add 4 and 6, we get 10. So, 4 and 6 are the big friend to each other. 4 is the big friend of 6 and 6 is also the big friend of 4. So, like this, if we add 5 with 5, we get 10. So, 5 and 5 are the big friend to each other. So, what is big friend? Big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 10. So, now you can say what is the big friend of 8? Big friend of 8 is 2. Why? If we add 2 and 8, we are getting 10. So, 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 and 8 are big friend to each other. So, 2 and 8 are big friend to each other. 2 is the big friend of 8 and 8 is also big friend of 2. So, now I am going to write the formula of big friend subtraction of 8. So, minus 8 is, here we have to first subtract the base value of big friend. What is the base value of big friend? That is 10. So, here we need to subtract 10. So, minus 10 plus, then we have to add the big friend of 8 which is 2. So, plus 2. Here we got our formula of big friend subtraction of 8. Now, we can apply this formula in that example and we can solve that example easily. So let's solve our first example, which is 6 plus 4 minus 8. 6 plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2, right? The answer is 2. Next example is 7 plus 3 minus 8. 7 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. So here I used the big friend addition of 3. Then minus 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. So answer is 2. Next example, 9 plus 8 minus 8. 9 plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. Here I used the big friend addition of 8. Then we need to subtract 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. So answer is 9. Next sum, 8 plus 7 minus 8. 8 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. Answer is 7. Next example is 7 plus 4 minus 8. 7 plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. So answer is 3. Next example is 27 minus 8 plus 6. 27 minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. Plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4. Here I used big friend addition of 6. So answer here is 25. Our last example is 36 minus 8 plus 8. 36 minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. Plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. Here I used big friend addition of 8. So the answer is 36. I hope you all are clearly understood how and where we can apply the big friend subtraction of 8, which is minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. I wanted to tell you one thing. If you have not watched my previous videos, please go through my channel's playlist and watch those videos and practice those examples as well. Here is the worksheet for you. Solve all the sums. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any difficulties. While solving these sums, you have to apply two formula, right? So one is what you learnt in today's video, that is minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. Along with this formula, you have to use another formula also. It may be big friend addition of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, whatever. So you have to use both formulas in all these examples and solve these examples, and do let me know in the comment section below if you have any difficulties. In my next video, we will be learning a new technique. So till then, you practice this formula and all these examples. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.